Welcome back to this old house, but not this old house. We picked up something today that is going to go into the house that is going to start making this thing really start looking like a house. And I am really excited to be to this part. So let's get going. And look what we have here. We have got all of our interior doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 doors, 10 interior doors. And we have our ceiling fans that are going to be going in the bedrooms. I don't know that we'll get them up today, but we're going to start getting these doors set. So let's get with it. Okay. That night. Oh yay. So I'm going to have to take off some off this one. It's going to be a pain in the butt here, though. And there we have it. Interior doors are all set. Glad to have this part of the project complete. All in all, I don't think it's too bad. One of the problems that we ran into was on these doors. They're really not great quality. If you look, all these staples are sticking out all up and down, so we're gonna have to go and knock all them in. Just more for the painter to do, more for the caulker to do, so just something else we have to do because the quality of materials today are just not what they have been in the past. But we'll do what we have to do. Well, with that, we're going to call it a day. We got light fixtures. We got cabinets. We have doors set. Ceiling fans. Ceiling registers. This is starting to look like a house. Just a few things left to do on the inside. We'll finish up the siding on the outside, and we will almost be able to call this done. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.